Design Studio is a name synonymous in the end-to-end sourcing of high-end ladies wear. We currently supply to large retailers in the UK such as Primark, Sainsbury, and online retailers such as ASOS, Next, Topshop. We are operating in 5 different locations across Sri Lanka.
We had a bespoke ERP solution. It was very hard to maintain, a lot of security issues.
Each function had their own software, which was not integrated. We did not have inventory reports or proper inventory management. Each report was done manually, and that gave us a lot of errors.
Usually, a ERP implementation takes around 2 to 3 years, but for us with Acumatica, it only took around 6 months.
The team of Propylon One has been very helpful, and I would recommend Propylon One to any business or any peer of ours.
Design Studio is a growing business. They have over 3,000 employees. Acumatica was an ideal fit for them to be agile and to grow as they need without any restrictions based on their unlimited user access licensing model.
Acumatica has become a mission-critical business solution for us. It provides staff at the production floor with mobiles and tablets so that they can perform their work more efficiently now.
With Acumatica, we were able to have a transparent end-to-end product lifecycle. When our customers can ask us where their product is, and we are able to give that answer in a matter of minutes.
Acumatica has made our lives quite easy for IT services, and it will bring more benefits for us in the future.
In our industry, inventories are where our money is. So having real-time inventory tracking, that's very important to us. Invoicing and the payments, everything's connected.